Hey everyone, this is dsigler02201989. I'm about to show you my fireworks stash for 2012. This is going to be a really sucky fireworks stash because it's the only fireworks that are legal in Ohio. I got a TNT sparkling tree sparkler, TNT Mad Dog smoke, TNT lava smoke, TNT poppets, a few boxes of snakes and some party poppers, a whole bunch of smoke balls, a few smoke grenades, and other small things that smoke. More party poppers, and a few boxes of snakes. Number 8 gold sparklers. Jumbo smoke candle from TNT. Another jumbo smoke candle from TNT. Smoke cloud fountain from TNT. Witch's smoke fountain. TNT smoke fountain. Monster smoke fountain. TNT double eagle smoke. Another box of poppets. Wolfpack bang snaps from Phantom. Another thing of Wolfpack bang snaps. Silver salute bang snaps. Poppets. Mammoth smoke. Red Devil smoke. The Great White smoke fountain. 2 more TNT sparkling tree sparklers. And 2 more jumbo smoke candles. I might be getting more for the 4th of July, but I'm not sure yet. Sorry if that's a really shitty fireworks stash, but it's all I could get. I bought all of the TNT stuff from Big Lots. It was in this huge assortment thing that was $50. Some of the other stuff in there is Phantom, and I got that from Apple's, and those were about $10 to $20 each. So I hope you like the video. Comment if you want, subscribe. If I get more, I'll make another video. So have a good day, everyone.